Guys, welcome to this video. In this one we are going to be heading to 2 car shows in one day again. We're going to be heading to Yank Show in Baglan, but first we're going to be heading to the Cogs car show, which is ironically just down the road from where we live at the moment. So yeah, follow us on the video and I hope you enjoy.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. About others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. Bouncing from this franchise around on a dime.
That's so cool.
Oh, you like a crank and everything when you put the hundred down. I don't know, I think that might be
the climb from the thirst, we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take.
Right, so there we are, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. We definitely did. When I say we, it's me and little man.
Yep.
Yeah, we definitely enjoyed it. It's a great day. Hope you enjoyed it too.
Yep.
And yeah, hit like and subscribe if you'd like to see more, and we'll see you in the next video.